Hello and welcome to Investing Made Easy. In this video we're going to be looking at what we think is the best stock to buy in this coming year. This is going to be a stock you will have heard of, but we'll be looking at reasons why you should invest your money, as you should always do research first. Remember to do your own research as well before investing, at not just this short video. The company in question is one of the biggest in the world, and of course that is Apple. They make devices you probably use every day. This video was even made on one of their products. Apple is seen as a relatively safe investment as of how big the company is and the potential growth it has. One of the main reasons I invest in this company is because of how much I use and like their products, and I can't imagine the company going anywhere soon. Especially during the recent pandemic, I found it impressive how quickly their stock price recovered, and more so how it's grown since, which is why I feel it is a stock to buy and never sell. One of the main reasons why I feel you shouldn't sell it is for the dividends you will receive. My end goal is to make enough money each month from dividends that I no longer have to work, which makes Apple stock such a good investment. Despite having a somewhat low dividend yield, it has an extremely low payout ratio at just over 20% and is on its 9th year of continuous dividend growth. I have no doubt this will continue, and they will soon be classed as a dividend aristocrat in the next couple of decades. Like most companies, you will be receiving the dividend once a quarter, which makes it easy to plan when you will be receiving it and maybe what other stocks you need to invest in if you want to be paid once a month. It also has an impressive 5-year dividend growth rate of nearly 10%. The dividend is also seen as incredibly safe, with Apple having such a low payout ratio as well as very low debt. They are also diversifying how they generate revenue, with shift towards more service-focused products. They have recently launched Apple One, where you can bundle their services such as music, TV and fitness. The recently released Fitness Plus comes at a time where gyms are closed and more people will be exercising from home, so I feel this has great potential. They have also took a huge step this year in creating the whole product in a move to making their own processors for the Mac laptops. This is something their founder Steve Jobs would be very proud of. The price of Apple stock is currently around $130, which is slightly below the 52-week high, but in my opinion there is not a bad time to buy Apple stock if you planned on holding it for a long time. It is also a good time to invest in Apple as they recently split their stock. This makes it more affordable if you don't have the option of buying fractional shares, which some brokers offer. This could be seen as a factor as to why the stock price rose around the time, as more people were able to invest in the company and more people wanted to. The size of the company is the main reason why I believe it is the best stock to own. For example, an insane amount of people have and use an iPhone. In the United States, nearly half the population that use a smartphone have an iPhone. There is also the ecosystem Apple have created, where it's just easy to own multiple Apple devices because they work so well together. From experience, having Apple devices has made me more likely to buy the other devices they have, such as the Watch and the AirPods. They also regularly release devices, normally once per year. Due to the hype of the devices and the progress they make to make them better, they sell a lot every year, and people with relatively new devices are always inclined to upgrade. This is something I do not see changing in the near future, which means the company will continue to grow at a good rate, and with that the dividend they pay. If you want to be paid their first dividend of 2021, you will have to invest by the ex-dividend date of the 5th February. This is due to be paid on the 11th February. Obviously this is my opinion, and there's plenty of other good investments you can make which may have a higher dividend yield, but it all depends on your goals and if they are long or short term. If you have any suggestions for other stocks, leave them down in the comments, and any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more stocks content.